welcome to your Math 152. So for this lesson, we will discuss about the computing simple interest and maturity value. We have a lesson objectives, solve simple interest problems, compute the maturity value of a simple interest. Now, what is a simple interest? Simple interest, it is an interest computed on the amount the borrower received at the time the loan is obtained and is added to the amount when the loan becomes due. Thus, simple interest is computed only once for the entire time period of the loan. So, ito lang naman yung sinasabi natin na interest na kinocompute kapag, for example, nag-borrowed ka ng pera or nag-loan ka. Okay? Yung tinatawag nating simple interest. So, meron tayong formula to find the simple interest. So, we have I is equal to PRT. I means the interest, P means principal, and then R means annual interest rate, and then T means time or time in years. Okay? In years po siya ha. Now, what is maturity value? It is amount payable to an investor at the end of the debt instrument holding period or the maturity date. For most bonds, the maturity value is the face amount of the bond. For some certificates of deposit or CD and other investment, all of the interest is paid at maturity. So, meron din tayo, nagkakaroon din tayo ng maturity. Ito na yung mga binabayaran natin. Okay? Ito yung nagkakaroon ng mature. Okay? So, meron din naman tayong formula to find the maturity. So, F or the face value is equal to P, the principal, plus the interest. Or F is equal to P, quantity of 1 plus RT. Ano yung R natin? Yun yung rate. And then yung T, yun yung time natin. So, next. Calculating simple interest is an essential skill for anyone who maintains a bank account, carries a credit card balance, or applies for a loan. So, simple interest, ginagamit natin yan. For example, sa mga bank account, kung paano ba tayo mag-compute ng mga interest natin sa bank account natin, sa deposit natin, and also sa mga credit card, and sa lahat-lahat. Okay? Now, read and understand the problem, then try to solve some similar problems afterwards. So, let's have an example for this lesson.
So, let's have an example about the simple interest and maturity value. So, for example, number 1, we have how much interest is charged when 50,000 is borrowed for 9 months at annual simple interest rate of 10%. So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap natin dito is yung interest. So, ang formula natin to find that is I, or the interest, is equal to P, which is the principal, and then R, the interest rate, and T, which is time. So, ano ba yung mga given natin? We have 50,000, yun yung ating principal. And then, we have 9 months, so which is the time, 9 months. And also, may nakalagay dito is annual, so meaning to say, in 1 year, we have 12 months. So, 9 over 12. And then the last is the 10%, which is the interest rate, which is the R. So, naka-percent yung rate natin, gawin natin decimal, which is magiging 0.10. Now, kung meron tayong mga given, so, ni-apply na natin yung ating formula. So, I is equal to PRT or multiply. So, 50,000 multiplied by 10%, which is 0.10. 0.10 and 9/12 yun yung time natin. So, kapag multiply tayo, unahin muna natin yung pinaka-dulo, yung fraction. And then, ayan, tuloy-tuloy na. So, 50,000 multiplied by 0.10 multiplied by 9/12 is 3,750. So, meaning to say, ito na yung ating interest. Number 2, Shirley got a 1,200 loan for 2 years. She paid 90 pesos in interest. What was the interest rate? So, sa question number 2 natin, ang hinahanap is interest rate. Meron tayong given na 1 to 90 and 2 years. Okay? So, ang formula natin sa simple interest is I is equal to PRT. So, 1,200, ito yung principal natin. And then, 2 years. So, ito yung time natin. So, we have 2 years. And last, interest rate is interest 90. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin is interest rate. Pero, ang formula natin is I is equal to PRT. So, paano tayo gagawa ng another formula? Since meron tayong formula na ganito, ang hinahanap natin is the interest rate. Okay? So, kakansel lang natin or divide both side by P and P. Then, cancel P. So, ang natira na lang is R is equal to I over P T. Okay? So, ngayon, pwede na natin kunin ngayon yung interest rate. R is equal to I, which is 90. Then, divide by 1,200, the principal. Multiply by time, 2 years. So, 90 divided by 1,200 multiplied by 2 is 2/4. So, 90 divided by 2/4 is 0.0375. So, decimal siya, gawin natin percent. So, times 100. So, times 100 is equal to 3.75%. Kasi ang hinahanap natin is the interest rate. Example number 3, find the future value of 86,000 at 8% simple interest for 3 years. So, hinahanap sa third example is the future value or maturity value. So, ang ating formula for future value is F is equal to P plus interest, where P is 86,000. Now, yung I natin o yung interest natin is PC. So, wala pa siya. So, una, hanapin mo natin yung interest. Ano ba yung formula natin ng interest? So, we have I is equal to PRT, which P is 86,000 and R 8%. Then, gawin natin decimal, magiging 0.08. And then, ang ating time is 3 years. So, meron tayong given. Ngayon, i-apply na natin yung ating formula ng interest. So, interest is equal to 86,000 multiplied by 0.08 times 3 years. Okay, so now our interest is 20,640. Okay, meron na tayong interest. Pwede na ba natin kunin yung future value? Yes, pwede na natin kunin. Meron na tayong P. Okay, so meron na tayong P, which is 86,000 plus the interest, which is 20,640. So, add lang natin yung principal and then yung interest. So, magiging 106,640. So, meaning to say, ito na yung ating future value or maturity